right, for multiplication, here we have 3x equals to 18. Remember, we're talking about one-step equations. All right, 3x equals to 18. We only need to take one step, apply one procedure. All right, so here we have a number multiplying the variable. So how do we reverse multiplication? We do division, right? So if we divide this by 3, we have only x. But we can't do that only to one side of the equation. So we have to do it to both sides. So if you get to this point in your solution, you must remember that whatever you're doing must be to both sides. And here, because we have a multiplication, a coefficient, right? A number multiplying the variable is called the coefficient. So for us to eliminate this coefficient, so that we have only x or just one x, we have to divide both sides by the coefficient. So the procedure will be divide both sides by the coefficient of x here, which is what? 3. So that means on this side we have 3x, we divide by 3. On the other side we have 18, and we divide by 3. So 3 in 3 is 1, so we are left with 1x. So x equals 18 divided by 3, which is 6. All right, easy peasy, right? Remember, you can always check to see if you are correct. So if you say x is equals to 6, so let's replace the value here. So we have 3 times 6 instead of x, and then 18. So let's check if 3 times 6 is 18. Checked, correct. 3 times 6 is 18. All right. You'll see your exercises in the comment. Please do well to practice. Thank you. Bye.